Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel as this is the first episode of winter series. So I'll let you know soon that what is the topic for first series. So winters is here and along with that cozy vibes, it brings some common problem which is dry, chapped or peeling lips. So in today's video, we'll talk about the main problem, maybe the scientific reason behind why this happens, solutions, tips and precautions, or the best products that you can apply, and much more. So, firstly, I would like to say that it is a very, very minor thing, but when you start noticing that आपके chopped या dry lips आपके face को dull कर रहा है, if you notice या अभी तक किया है या फिर आप ये बात सुनने के बाद आप notice करोगे कि if your lips look dry, so your face automatically starts looking dull and the tiredless, dull, lifeless face. So that's why I'm making a whole video on it because it impacts the glow of the face. So, what happens to your lips in these winters? The major thing is lips become cracked, flaky, and sometimes it bleeds. And lipstick doesn't sit well, lines become visible. Commonly, what people do is they keep applying balm, but in long term, they see no improvements in their lips. That's why we have to go deep dive into this topic because the minor thing, but that impacts your face. If we look after this topic with a scientific reason, what it says, our body have that oil glands, but the main reason it doesn't get nourished by itself is lips don't have oil glands. That is the reason that they cannot produce natural oils or moisture. As skin has that 7 layers of bed, but lips don't have that. Even if they have 3 to 5 layers on it, you know that skin is thinner. It easily gets dry in these harsh winters. Let's move forward. Why our lips get chapped? If we talk about common mistakes we do in our daily lives, licking your lips like this is not allowed. Saliva आपके lips को और dry कर क्योंकि वो evaporate करता है and it dries out your lips very hard. Excessive lip licking, you should not do that. Second thing is applying dry lipsticks. Avoid applying dry lipsticks. You can use creamy and you can use lip gloss kind of lipsticks for these winters. I guess drinking water is हर एक बात का हर एक cause का solution है. Also, you should not use that fragranced lip balm. प्रॉब्लम तो सब जानता है बट सोल्यूशन के बारे में बात करते हैं. दैट्स द मेन पॉइंट ऑफ द वीडियो. सिर्फ पानी पीना तो ऑब्वियसली ज़रूरी है. I'll tell you to drink water and to myself to drink water because I go with same problem. See, you can use any lip balm, but keep in mind few of the things like use lip balms containing petroleum, ceramides, shea butter, glycerin. See, if I talk about products, सबका अपना अपना फेवरेट लिप बाम होता है और लिप बाम्स ऐसे होते हैं दैट वी यूज ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. कैन इजीली गो विथ वैसलीन पेट्रोलियम जेली. That's the best thing. If you really want to buy another lip balm, firstly I'll go with Vaseline lip balm. Secondly, I would suggest Lineage lip balm. It is a bit expensive but it is so good. Third one is Dot and Key lip mask. It also works beautifully. That's it. These are the products I have personally used, so I am suggesting you if you wanna buy. Okay, so now I wanna talk about applying technique, which is again interesting. Interesting because I have a different technique used for myself. So usually what we do is we apply and leave. Here I am demonstrating how I use this technique to keep my lips keep nourishing and moisturized. As our skin needs that massage for nourishment, our lips equally needs that massage for nourishment. So this is the technique I do. Apply and massage. One thing you should not forget is cover the entire boundary. So if I talk about the procedure that how to take care of your lips in a right way, it is first thing is exfoliate your lips, that is scrubbing. Use a mild store bought lip scrub, or you can use a homemade, which is honey and sugar. That's easy and that works. You take honey, you take sugar, mix it and scrub around for maybe 2 to 3 minutes and wash it off, and then do that lip massage which I have shown you before. So that's everything about the chapped lips in winters, because as I've said and I repeatedly keep saying that your chapped lips will dull your face. It may look like lifeless or something has happened to you. Lips are very delicate, and so once you start following a proper care routine, you will see improvements in few days. If you want more winter care, skincare content, then let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. Hope this helped you. Okay, bye.